Oh, wow.
Yo,
Hello?
yeah, I look like you streaming. You streaming?
No.
Tight shit. Where you from, man?
I'm from South Africa. Where are you from?
Wait, say that again.
South Africa.
South Africa, tight shit. That look, accent strongness, man. I can't fake it.
Is
I
it?
like it though. That shit tough.
I appreciate it.
And now, how old you at?
I'm 29. What about you?
I'm 22. Tight shit.
Why are you chilling in the dark?
I just got out the game and shit.
Okay.
Tight shit. Just got done smoking too, so I'm like, yeah, I'm just cooling it.
I
But
love
I
that
ain't
for
ugly
you.
though. You feel me? It's just you just caught me when the light out and shit. I don't feel like getting up and shit like that.
I mean, they all say that.
Now I'm dead ass. I ain't ugly though. I ain't no gremlin. My dudes blessed me with some good shit. You feel me? Some good genes. I can't fake it.
I'm gonna take your word for it.
That's what I'm saying. Just take my word for it. Young nigga like me, I'm really pressure though, for real.
Okay.
You know, man, you so pressure too though. Hey, Kelly.
I appreciate it.
Yes, ma'am. You very sophisticated. You real classy. So classy. Why you so classy, girl?
I have to ask though,
You know, what's going on?
am I still pressure if I'm trans?
How much you want for that pussy, girl?
What
Now,
did
if I
you
just want some head,
say?
you can keep your legs closed. You like you suck dick good. What you want, about 500 for that head?
I'm trans.
You want about 500? You in Georgia too?
I said I'm trans.
What? What you say?
I'm trans.
Fuck you not. I know the difference between a woman and a man.
Oh my god.
Hey, how much you want for that head, girl?
I said I'm
A
trans.
big ass lip. Man, you not no fucking trans, man. Get the fuck out of that lying ass shit.
I said I'm trans. That's what I thought.
Aim up all my life. I swear to God. Like, you know, I swear to God.
What
I mean,
happened?
and then what I do want to say, you look amazing. That's a golden retriever. Yes. Yeah, look, and he didn't even get to see you, and he know you my golden retriever. Look. Look. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's a golden retriever. Down. You look amazing. Look at this. Hey, that's my golden retriever. Hey, mom. He taking my
I'm
hey,
getting
mom.
passed around.
Where you from? You just like your stare. I like it. Gorgeous.
I'm from
Yeah,
South
like
Africa.
you just know you sexy and just like I can look at you all day. At least say you know you sexy when you ain't gotta say nothing. My golden retriever. Mama, just hear me out one more time, please. They always say what goes around once, if it's for you, it's going to come back to you. So instead of you looking at my soul this time, reading my mind, can I get a hello, please?
Hello.
Listen, man, you scaring me. Hello,
Hi.
how are you?
Well, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. You're
Look
very
at you.
pretty.
You're very hot.
What's your name?
Kelly, what's yours?
My name is Ofen. Nice to meet you, Kelly.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from South Africa. Where are you from?
From Israel.
Oh, that's cool. How old are you?
26 in June.
29.
Cool. I thought you'd be my age, if not younger.
And do I look younger?
Yeah,
How old do I look?
looking good.
I appreciate it.
If you had me guessing, I'd say like 26, 25.
So what are you doing?
I like your outfit.
Thank you.
Nothing. Just go pressing time.
Okay.
I'd like to press it with you.
So would I. Right there. And then the arm behind your head. And then move your hips forward. Perfect.
Slut!
Oh, you look good.
Don't. I use Instagram.
Oh, you look really good. Okay,
You got Instagram?
I do have Instagram.
Write it down for me.
Wait, do you like trans girls?
And friends. Well, I don't mind as long as you have a pussy. No?
Let me give you my Instagram.
Okay.
What's good, guy?
What the fuck? You got a manly voice. Hey, you got a manly voice. Hey, yo. Here you go.
That shit.
Hi.
What's good, gang?
Hello.
Here's a Kanisha monkey. Hello, Johnny. Hello, Johnny. How are you? How are you?
Hood. Hood.
Yo. Yo.
Oh, you're so pretty.
You're so hot.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's your pretty ass? What's up with you, girl?
Oh, it's good.
Where you from?
South Africa, where you from?
You said what?
South Africa.
Oh, wow. That's a whole nother country.
Yeah. Where you from?
Yeah, you look good though. I'm from the U.S.
I appreciate it. How old are you?
You look good. I'm 21.
Okay. You're a baby.
What about you?
I'm 29.
Don't do that. Age don't mean a thing, baby. You know that.
You are a baby.
I'm gonna have to show you I ain't no baby then. What's up with it?
I mean, are you a lumberjack?
Nah, I couldn't hear though.
That's not what I meant.
A lumberjack? What you mean? I ain't never heard that term.
A lumberjack is a guy that can handle girls with wood.
If I seen you, I'll smack the dog shit out your bitch ass, nigga.
Hey,
Oh, she's beautiful.
Oh,
I appreciate it. Thank
Hey,
you.
I got a question for you. What do you rate my friend right here?
Like a 6.
Damn. I'm sorry I did it to you.
damn.
I'm sorry.
I'm not being mean. I'm not
Sorry.
being mean. I
In the
promise.
barracks. They don't know exactly where we are. The whole address or Benning, Georgia.
Okay.
Please don't blow us up. What was it right there?
I can't see him.
Benning? Well, he just sitting there.
I can't see him properly.
Yeah, I'm not gonna walk up to him. I want to make good.
What's up? Holy shit, you look exactly like the picture.
What picture?
The picture on your... The picture that pops up before.
Okay.
Yeah, picture of you, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Thank you.
Kelly.
What's good, gang?
Oh, you a dude. It's okay, though. I'll still suck your dick.
What did he say?
Ooh.
I like dudes. Especially dudes that look like girls.
Love that for you.
They make you know prettier and prettier by the day.
Yep, they make a little better by the day.
I know that's right.
Sure, you?
He was in prison too long.
I was in prison.
You like butt too much.
When were you in prison?
Huh?
When were you in prison?
Wow, was I in prison?
When?
He molested a 3-year-old.
Where?
When?
Oh, when? I just got out like 2 months ago.
Okay, what were you in for?
Murder.
Oh, cool.
Black man in the ass.
What did he say?
Yeah, and I got a few boyfriends in there. So I have the taste for dick here and there. Say what?
Pop a fake titty!
Yo, what up, Kelly?
What's good?
You look like a little young mama.
Bruh.
Are you saying I'm old?
You said you're 29?
I am.
29? Yeah. You like twice, no, not twice my age. You ain't fucking.
Don't do too
I'm 20.
much.
I'm 24.
Yeah, that's not twice your age.
Yeah, you're only like 7 years older than me.
Exactly.
She was born in 97.
96.
I think that's when my grandfather died.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, I didn't get to meet my grandfather.
You get your average, niggers on here, but when you get that right person and she jerking, baby, we're gonna be working while you twerking.
While I'm jerking.
What the fuck? You're gonna. Whoa. You just threw me off.
Are you drunk?
I am drunk. You know I'm drunk off of, friend?
What? What's that?
Beatbox.
Never heard of it.
Whoa.
I think it's native to
You're
the
in
States.
United States of America or the UK?
No. I'm from South Africa.
Oh, wow. Oh, you're exotic, huh? Well, that makes sense why you haven't heard of beatbox. I don't know if you've heard of Cut Waters, but they're like...
Yeah.
It's... Fuck. You don't drink.
Occasionally.
Or you drink that rich people shit, huh?
Bruh.
No, I'm just more of a social drinker.
I love that. I love that.
Where are you from?
California.
Oh, I hear it now.
Yeah. All I do is drink and party.
I love that for you.
Honestly, I love that. I do. I like white everything. Everything that's white, bring it my way.
Wait, are you touching the ceiling? Oh, I was about to say how.
Yeah, nah, I wish.
How tall are you?
About 6'5". I'm touching the ceiling now.
Oh, that's crazy.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now,
Oh, you are pretty tall.
Slut!